What's up, Binge Baes? It's your girl Blake, and I'm back with another video. And today, guys, I brought y'all behind the scenes of my Binge family mukbang. So you guys are gonna see the mukbang in the next video, but this video is just all the behind the scenes, the preparation, okay? So right here, guys, I have the shrimp, and I have it all prepared to go into the oven. I put unsalted butter, garlic powder, and sea salt on the shrimp, and I did the same thing for the lobster tails, okay? So everything is about to go in the oven. I currently have the corn and the eggs boiling right here. So those are going, and then I'm trying to decide if I want to pan sear or just throw these in the oven as well. These are sea scallops. So, and I'm also gonna make the BLoves sauce. So here are all of my seasonings and ingredients for that. So before we go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and become a part of the family. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. So guys, as you can see, I have a red onion and a regular onion. Now, the BLoves ingredients don't call for but one onion, but I want both. I like mine oniony. And then I have 3 garlic bulbs. So, yeah, guys, I'm about to cut these up, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Update. I still haven't put my lobster tails or my shrimp in yet because seafood honestly doesn't take that long. So I want it to still be hot when I eat it, and I still have to put my makeup on, take my scarf off, you know what I'm saying? But these are about done, so I'm about to turn these off. And my unsalted butter is melted finally. I've got my onions and my garlic in there, and now I'm about to add all of these seasonings, about a tablespoon of all of these seasonings, okay? So, and you can always Google the Smackalicious sauce. It's not my recipe, it's BLoves recipe. So, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the time lapse so you guys can see how I mix it. See you in a second. Seasonings, and now all you do is bring it to a boil till all of your onions and stuff are translucent, which means you can see through them. They're not solid looking. So yeah, I'm just mixing them up with a pasta thing because it breaks the onions up good. There's a method to my madness, okay? So I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and then that'll be ready, and I'm gonna set it aside because usually when I do videos I get it right off the stove and it's too hot. So I'm glad that I'm doing it where it'll have some time to sit and cool off. But I need to pick all these eggs out, and remember I told you that trick to put the eggs in cold water, so that's what I'm about to do. See you guys in a second. All right, guys, so your girl is done putting her makeup on. I didn't do the lashes today, guys, because I did not have the patience. I got too much going on. So let's go in the kitchen and see what's ready. The BLoves sauce is ready from scratch. I just turned it off, still bubbling. Of course, the corn is ready. Let's check on the shrimp and lobster tails. See, look at that. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. So I'm about to take those out in a second, but right now I'm about to pan sear these scallops, okay? Which doesn't take long at all. I just gotta get my pan super hot so they can be crispy on the outside. You know how I do. Mama! I'm gonna put the sauce in, the BLoves sauce in this glass bowl. So I'm gonna need a ladle or something. Actually, I can use this for the onions and stuff. This is my first time making it with unsalted butter, so it should be really good because we have all those seasonings, and some of those seasonings already have salt in them, so you don't want to over salt. I'm just gonna pour it to there. It's a little bit left over, but the Binge kids are gonna be doing their own seafood mukbang after I record mine, so make sure you go to their channel and check theirs out because they're always funny. And I find that they're funnier when I'm not around, so that'll be a treat. Mama, here's the platter that I'm gonna use, okay? And I'm about to start putting my corn on it because corn on the cob can be really hot. Can't tilt it too much because the butter sauce will come running off. I'll give you guys a glimpse in a second. I love me a good shrimp scampi. I did not peel my shrimp. I was not having it. It's not doing all that. There. Alright. Now for the scallops. Nice pan. I'll just use my handy dandy pan. I love that pan. Okay, so we want to spray some non-stick spray. Then we want to put a little oil in it. Let me put this on high really quick because we need it on high. I'll put my scallops in a bowl so that I can run some water over them, wash them off, and then season them. Dry them off and then season them. Because I want the Binge kids to film this as well. I can't find the scissors. I'm wondering if I have more, or should this be good? Whatever. Look how big these scallops are, guys. I'm washing them off over here. As you can see, getting ready for a mukbang is hard work. Like, don't just think people just have it like, you have to prepare for it. It doesn't magically appear in front of your face and you just turn the camera on. Like, you have to prepare for this, especially if you're making it yourself. Now, if you're just picking up some juicy crab from the stove, that's different. Which I kind of wish I was doing that. But no, homemade is always better. All right, so I've dried them, I've washed them off, and I'm about to put some garlic powder, seasoned salt, not seasoned salt, sea salt. I don't know when the last time I used seasoned salt. All right, I have this turned up really high. Maybe I'll just put the rest of this unsalted butter in there. And put this sea salt. I'm just mixing it up with my hand. I'm about to lay them in there. Back up, fat man. And let them sit on one side for a little bit. You want them to get toasty. And then you flip them, and then you're done. And while these are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my platter with all my seafood. And I'll be ready to roll. It doesn't look like I'll be able to fit them all in this first one. But I fit most of them. Washing my hands. I really don't know what I'm going to talk about in my mukbang. I usually just freestyle it, but I see other people, they sometimes have topics, or they just start talking about something and that will end up being the title of their video. I don't really want to talk about anything depressing, so that's going to be a no. Let me start setting up my tray.
I'm putting North Carolina on the map.
You want to help crack these eggs. Guys, your girl is finna throw down, okay? I've got the set, okay? And here's my scallops. Don't look at my scallops like that. I like my scallops like that, crispy on the outside. And then here's my lobster tails, my eggs, my shrimp, and my corn, and of course the BLoves sauce. So yeah, I'm about to shoot my mukbang. You all in it. And Jarrell's bringing me. That's a little bit. I swear it's a little bit. That's fine. I'm only gonna drink a can anyway. Are you sure? How do I take this off? Well, I just have to do it like that. Take, Mom. I was gonna help you take this off. No, you can't. You can't? No. So guys, I'm about to smash and I'm about to go ahead and record this. And I'll see you guys in the next clip.